In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically reply to a certain word in Slack, making your workflow even more efficient. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Slack application or navigate to your Slack workspace in your web browser. Once you're in, select the channel where you wish to set up automatic replies. This could be any of your team channels depending on where you need this feature. Now that you're in your chosen channel, take your mouse and look near the channel name at the top. You should see a small drop arrow next to it. Click on that arrow. This will open a drop-down menu providing you with more options you can access in your channel interface. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to click on Tools and Settings. This option will lead you to an array of settings and customization options that Slack offers, making your workspace personalized to fit your needs. Now, after you've clicked on Tools and Settings, you'll see a list of additional settings you can work with. What we want here is to customize our workspace further, so go ahead and click on Customize Workspace. This is where the magic happens, allowing us to tweak specific elements to our liking. Your next step is to navigate to the section labeled Slackbot. Slackbot is Slack's built-in assistant, capable of handling easy automation within your workspace. Click on the Slackbot link to start setting up your automatic replies. In this new window, you're looking for the option that says Add New Response. This feature allows you to create customized automatic replies based on certain keywords or phrases used within the channel. Click on it to begin configuring your new automatic response. Once you're in the Add New Response section, you'll need to specify the word or phrase that, when mentioned, will trigger your automatic reply. Enter the keyword in the designated field. After that, specify what Slackbot should reply with when this word is mentioned in the channel. This can be any message you find appropriate or helpful for your team. Finally, after setting up the trigger word and message, make sure everything looks correct. Doing this preliminary check can save you precious time later. Once everything is in place, click on Save. This saves your settings and activates your new automation, allowing Slackbot to start handling mentions of that specific word with your preset response. And that's it! You've successfully set up an automatic word-triggered reply in your Slack workspace. This tool is a simple yet effective way to improve communication efficiency within your team, saving time and ensuring that frequently asked questions or topics are addressed promptly. Thanks for watching and happy slacking!